Are you tired of feeling stuck in a musical rut? Do you long to create soulful, captivating blues melodies that leave your audience begging for more? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring musicians struggle to find their unique voice and stand out from the crowd. But fear not. In this ultimate guide, we will unveil 5 game-changing techniques that will revolutionize your playing and help you dominate the blues like never before. Mastering vibrato. Adding soul to your sound. Vibrato is a technique that can breathe life into any melody. By subtly bending the pitch of a note back and forth, it adds an expressive quality that resonates deep within the listener's soul. To master vibrato, start by practicing slow and controlled bends on individual notes. Gradually increase your speed while maintaining precision. Why does mastering vibrato matter? It allows you to infuse emotion into every note you play, capturing the essence of blues music, raw passion and vulnerability. How can this be achieved? Through dedicated practice sessions focusing on developing control over vibrato technique. Bending notes. Creating intensity and drama. Bending notes is a hallmark technique of blues guitarists everywhere. It involves stretching or bending a string to raise its pitch while maintaining control over intonation and tone quality. This technique adds intensity, drama, and an unmistakable flair to your playing. What makes bending notes crucial in dominating the blues genre? It allows you to express emotions such as longing or anguish through subtle variations in pitch, evoking powerful responses from your listeners. Sliding between chords. Smooth transitions for seamless melodies. Smoothly transitioning between chords is essential for creating seamless melodies in blues music. Sliding between chords involves moving from one chord shape to another without lifting your fingers off the fretboard. This technique adds a touch of sophistication and fluidity to your playing. Why is sliding between chords important? It enables you to effortlessly connect different chord shapes, creating an uninterrupted flow of music that captivates your audience. How can this be achieved? Practice transitioning between chords using slides, ensuring each note rings clear and distinct. Incorporating call and response, engaging your audience. Call and response is a fundamental technique in blues music that involves alternating musical phrases or calls with corresponding responses. By incorporating call and response into your playing, you create an engaging dialogue between yourself and your audience. Why does call and response matter in dominating the blues genre? It allows you to connect with listeners on a deeper level, eliciting emotional responses through dynamic interaction. How can this be achieved? Experiment with different melodic patterns, one serving as the call, followed by a complementary response. Utilizing dynamic rhythm, adding groove to your blues. Dynamic rhythm is the heartbeat of any great blues performance. By varying the intensity, timing, and accents within your rhythmic patterns, you can add groove and energy to every note you play. What makes dynamic rhythm essential for dominating the blues genre? It creates a captivating pulse that drives the song forward while allowing room for improvisation, a hallmark of blues music. How can this be achieved? Experiment with syncopated rhythms, accentuating certain beats or notes within each measure. In conclusion, by mastering these 5 game-changing techniques, vibrato mastery, note-bending prowess, seamless chord transitions through sliding techniques, incorporating call and response dynamics, and utilizing dynamic rhythm, you will revolutionize your playing style in ways previously unimaginable. Each technique serves as another tool in your arsenal, allowing you to dominate the world of blues music like never before. So go forth, immerse yourself in dedicated practice sessions, and watch as your playing transforms into a soulful, captivating force that leaves audiences in awe. Remember, the blues is all about expressing raw emotion and connecting with listeners on a profound level. With these techniques at your disposal, you'll be well on your way to becoming a true blues virtuoso.